Welcome to the crypto nest. So Cronos, I believe he did quite a good job in the weekend and yesterday also. And then now let's dig in. So we said this was maybe our first wave 1. We did this A overshooting wave B, and then if you recall well, I was saying it would be great if price can go and then test at least this very long-term descending channeling trend. We actually did. We broke it with no problem, and then so this is how we did our wave B. And after that we completed, I would say, this wave C. Wave C has 5 waves, so we can really count the wave 1, the wave 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5. So that's great. And then if I calculate the length of the wave 1, this box would have been the ideal retracement from where a wave 2 should go. And we actually wick out a little bit of that box. So I would say congratulations to everybody that got it even lower. Alright, so now here also we were having this downtrend widening channel, so this is a bullish pattern as well. So now I'm going to start to clean up a little bit my chart. So once again, congratulations to the people who got it here. I actually got some. I got some around here, and also when it dipped out. Okay, so now I maybe can take out this one as well. So this should be the end of our wave C, and now we should start our new third wave in blue. Within this third wave, let me pop up a third wave, and not 32. Alright, so within this third wave we're going to have 5 waves as well. So this usually is the biggest wave, the one that has more length. So usually is the one that will make more profit. So now if I need to label this third wave, it's going to go like so. We're going to make a 1, a 2, a very nice 3, a 4, and a 5. So I'm going to put that in blue. So as you can see, usually the third wave is the one that you want to get into to have a ride. I have a nice profit. So did we finish this first wave? Well, actually, I don't know. But I can tell you that, you know, this first wave has to make a nice pullback first. And then, well, since we got already some here, or if you didn't, no worry, there is no way, no reason to FOMO. We're going to make a nice pullback as well. So now let me go into the 1 hour chart. The only thing I can say though is like it's a nice movement, but it would have been even better if it was more impulsive. So I find this kind of, yeah, it looks impulsive, but I could also say that it looks a little bit corrective. So I just wanted to put that out there. Okay. So how can we label that, and is this wave completed? As you can see, it did quite of nice pullbacks here. So let me start to say that maybe this was the wave 1 and this was the wave 2. So let me see if this would be relevant. Actually, let me take out this. So for the moment I can say that yes, this could have been the wave 1 and this the wave 2. So let me start and labeling it. So this is the one. Maybe not 40. And so this was the 2. Now let me do the extension and see. So I would say that maybe this was the wave 3. Can we say that? And then after we went to the 3x for the wave 5, I think up to now, and with the when we see the price action, I would say that would be the ideal extension. And then so if that is the case, this should be the wave 4. So let's go and calculate that. So the beginning of the wave 4, it's here, and this is the wave 3. And now I need to go and take the wave 4, take out the 0. Okay, so as you can see, this was the wave 3, and then we actually went bend on onto the ideal retracement for a wave 4, the 0.382 at 0.6629. Okay, so up to now, this is these counts, they work bend on. I'm going to erase them now, so it's going to be easier. Okay, so 6, 2, I think this one also I can take it out. Okay, so if this indeed is the end of the first impulsive movement, now let me calculate what would be the ideal retracement of this impulsive movement for the whole wave. So I'm going to take the beginning up to the end and take the wave 2. Okay, so we should go into these levels here. So ideally we would go to the 0.618, but we're going to really range between the 0.067 cents and the 0.063 cents. So within this area, this impulsive movement should correct into this zone. Now maybe usually it's going to make a 5 wave down, maybe. Sometimes it can also only do 3 waves, depending on the structure of the pullback. So let's see how it goes. For the moment, we don't have enough data to do much. The only thing I can do, maybe if I consider this was the wave 1, this should be the wave 2. Let me see if it does work. So if this is the wave 1, yeah, we actually did touch the ideal retracement for a wave 2. And now we are doing this third wave. If this is the case, should I don't know, don't want to make it messy. I'm plus it's a correction, so we know that not 100% accurate, but anyway, let me do it just for fun. So this would be a wave 2, and now if that is the case, let's take the beginning of the wave 1 to the end of the wave 1, 1.618. Come on, mouse. We should go around here for the wave 3, and let's see if it works out. You see, micro counting, a lot of time it doesn't work out, because if that is the case, we're going to go way below our ideal retracement for a wave 2. So let's forget about the projection, and wave 3 can also do just a 1-to-1 ratio, and then make a corrective movement and do just a length a little bit longer than the wave 1 and 3, and would be perfectly fine. Okay, so I would say for a moment anyway, everything is working well for Cronos. We did reach lower prices as expected, and now we're doing this first impulsive movement. When I find that maybe we are done with the second wave, I am going to I would say invest more into Cronos. I really believe in Cronos. For the records, I do have an own Cronos. I even use the credit card of Cronos. All right. So this is all for Cronos for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day.